traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So another beautiful day for the trend traders, especially for the US dollar pairs. If you actually take it down to like the 30-minute time frame, you can see this a little bit more clear. But man, 1, 2, 3 waves down and golfing up. If you've been watching my videos for a while, I think you've heard me say, what am I doing? I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 wave patterns in golfing moves up. I bet if you had your Fibonacci retracement on there, then this 3 waves down was almost definitely a crutch into the last wave up. 1, 2, 3 waves down and golfing up. Another entry to go long. Another great day for trend traders. So I think you can probably guess what I'm doing now. I'm patiently waiting for 1, 2, 3 waves down to a Fibonacci retracement level and golfing moves to the upside to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Until the higher time frames tell me this trend is over, I'm doing nothing but looking for 3-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.